How to fix Valorant error code VAN9001 in Windows 11 10th PC. To fix Valorant error code VAN9001 in Windows 11 10th PC, try 1. Enable secure boot and TPM in BIOS settings. 2. Enable allow BitLocker without a compatible TPM, requires a password or a startup key on a USB flash drive, in the require additional authentication at startup policy under group policy, medite.msc. Path, computer configuration. Administrative templates, Windows components, BitLocker drive, encryption, operating system drives. 3. Restore BIOS factory keys.